Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special video for Lori. She requested that I do a tutorial for her and show her how I create my Tulle bows that I made back in November. This is featuring Scrap Diva Designs Gingerbread bow set. And so it comes with a large and a small bow. And we won't be using these pieces right here. This is actually like a triple layer bow, where you have the back piece, you have this piece that cuts out these really cute little design, and you could use it for Valentine's Day. I chose not to use it on these bows. And then you also get another piece, another layering piece that cuts the outline like so. So a cute little like icing type of deal. So she wanted to see a tutorial on how to do this. Lori, I'm sorry I'm getting this out to you super late, but better late than never, guys. We're gonna go ahead and make these today. So the dies that I'm gonna be using are all the dies except for the one that I just showed you with the star detail. So you're gonna get the outside piece that looks like this, and then an inside the icing piece looks like this, okay? So I went ahead and I picked out my paper, and by the way, I'm using my new digital collection to create these bows. Here's the another design, and then some of the ephemera from my set as well. So I went ahead and I die cut all of these, you guys, okay? So I wanted to show you all that the bigger one is supposed to coordinate with this one, but you can always mix and match your dies so you can create different combinations. And then this smaller tail is going to coordinate well with the smaller of the bows, okay? So those are the four main pieces, and then these are just the layering ones, okay? So let's get started. You're going to go ahead and you're going to die cut. Pick out your paper, die cut your pieces, and then you're going to take your little icing and play with the color combinations, guys, because it really will make a big difference in your project. I use this white glitter cardstock, and I think it looks really pretty against this pink, but I think if I would have used like a more darker, brighter white, it would stand out a lot more. Hold on, let me get this open. I think I ran through this whole little glue bottle that my friend Heather sent me. All right, let's go with this one. So I went ahead and I glued those lining pieces. Again, this is the large and this is this one. And I actually cut out the smaller one to layer it, okay? So we'll go ahead and you're gonna use this tool here. I have this from scrapbook.com, guys. I have never thought that I really needed this for bows, but honestly, it is the best tool for making bows, you guys. You know that I would never steer you wrong. So that's gonna mold your paper, and I'm using 110-pound cardstock. So this is super heavyweight. You can use a lighter. I just printed my digitals on 110-pound cardstock. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put our bow pieces together like so. This tool is amazing. I'm gonna link it down below in case you guys are interested. I wish it came in pink. And then we're gonna put this smaller one. I already went ahead and molded it earlier. So we'll go ahead and glue that. So again, this die set was like it's a gingerbread bow die, but you can totally use it for any time. So we'll go ahead and layer these two together. And I'm gonna link my digital collection down below in case anyone is interested in purchasing it. You get 10 paper designs that I designed. Everything I designed and drew myself, hand drawn. Look at how cute. Okay, there goes our double bow. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the tool part. So I'm gonna be using this beautiful star tool. It is like a light pink, and it has gold stars. Now what I do is I measure my tool to be just a little bit bigger on the sides. So we'll go ahead and cut there. So what I was saying about my digital collection, guys, you get 10 papers, and we're gonna cut 4 pieces of this, okay, guys? So we're gonna use this as a guide, and we're gonna cut 4 of these. So you get 10 digital papers, and I'll link the video down below where you guys can see it in case you missed it. And you get 20 ephemera pieces, 20 different designs of ephemera. And it's so soft and pretty. Oh my God, I love it. All right, there goes 3, and then 1 more. Now, to do this next part, guys, you can use string however you tie your tool. I'm gonna use rubber bands this time. I kind of switch it up. Whatever I have available to me is what I use. All right, so we're gonna double layer this. So we're gonna use 2. We're gonna put those together. And then we're gonna put these 2 together. And you're just gonna kind of fold like this, up, back and forth, just like so. And then if you were gonna use thread, just thread that. I'm gonna use this rubber band. The color doesn't matter because it's gonna be hiding anyways. Try to get it like centered. You can always move it over, but it does get a little hard with this. So I'm just gonna keep wrapping in the middle as best I can. String guys work so much better, but use what you have around you. Okay, and then you can always like straighten this out by moving it over. I think that looks pretty centered to me. And we're gonna do the same thing with this one, okay? So layer the 2 together, and then we're gonna fold back and forth. Just like so. Take your rubber band. Make sure you guys tag me. I would love to see your beautiful bows. By the way, this bow set, I'm gonna link it down below. It's from Scrap Diva Designs, and you can use code puchytats to save 10% off your entire purchase. Can't believe I almost forgot that, guys. So you see how this one's not centered at all? I'm just gonna pull that rubber band over and get it nice and centered. Okay, there we go. So you got your 2 tulle bows. Now let's go ahead and put this together. Now what I did is I turned this around. I grabbed one and I glued it to the very top, like so. Okay, little dab of glue. And I'm gonna put it right on top. We're gonna fit 2 of these right next to each other. So these are gonna kind of go this way, you know, and then we're gonna glue this one and it's gonna go the opposite direction. So more glue, stick it down. Be careful because that hot glue will seep through your tool, okay? Just like that, guys. And then you have this beautiful tool on your bow to accent your bow. Just like that. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue this bottom piece. Hey, I didn't put the, here it goes. This bottom piece. I got my icing on this one. And then for the smaller bow, you really can just do 1 layer. So it's totally up to you guys. You see how we did 2 1 and then 2, you can just do a single one on the smaller one, or you can do this double one. Okay, glue that down. Oh, I did upside down. No, let me take that off. Guys, I almost ruined my whole bow. All right, so glue that down. Make sure you have it in the right direction. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of my little ephemera pieces. I think I wanna do this bow. No. Could do this little cake. So these are my digitals, you guys. I did show it in another video. So I have that link below so you can see it more in detail. But I wanna find something teeny tiny. What if we do the same bow? That might work. Yeah, let's go for it. So I'm gonna take the tiniest piece of foam. Just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and glue it in the center. The other one is not a double bow. Just like that in the center, I want to put it. Okay, guys, so this is a single layer and then this is the double layer. Both so beautiful. Okay, so Lori, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is for you, Lori. Thank you so much for being patient with me. I didn't forget about you. I just got so caught up with all the things that I have to do, but I love you guys. I hope you found some inspiration. I will link this die set below, and then I'll also link my email and Instagram where you can message me if you'd like to purchase my digital collection. All right, so I love you guys. Happy crafting. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.